be a speed test between the LG G8 ThinQ versus the iPhone XS Max. Now the G8, this one has the Snapdragon 855 and 6 gigs of RAM, Android 9 Pie on board. iPhone XS Max, this one has the 812 Bionic chip and its latest version of iOS. Turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. I'm gonna give the boot up win to the LG G8. And we are in! Nothing open in the background on both. As you can see, all apps have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Maybe the iPhone, not too sure. Slow down the video for me. Messages, pretty much the same. The camera, we'll do it like this. And let's go. Dead heat. Clock on both phones. We'll go ahead and start the stopwatch on both and leave that running in the background. Chrome and Safari, go. Search for GSM Arena on both. And let's go. Looking at the progress bar, super fast on the iPhone X and the LG G8 not too far behind. Go to the bottom and click on the desktop version of each. Go. Whoa. Very close. Slow down the video for me. We'll do the pinch to zoom. And super smooth on the iPhone X. And then compare that to the LG G8. Nice and butter as well. Very nice. Calculator. You guys are the judges. Play Store and App Store. A little bit faster on the left. Go ahead and click on any app. Click on these two. Amazon Shopping. Give that to the LG G8. Click on the deal of the day. eBay. A little bit faster on the G8, as you can see. Click on this 10R. Super Mario Run. Loading on the G8. Ooh, iPhone lagging here a little bit, and give the win to the LG on this. Tap to begin. Temple Run 2. Loading on the G8. Oh, LG wins this. Tap to play. And we'll leave it there. Do the same thing real quick on the iPhone. Subway Surf. Ooh, iPhone by just a little bit. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on the G8. Oh, G8's ahead. Can it beat out the iPhone? Oh, and give the win to the LG G8 on this, beating the iPhone XS Max. Wow, was not expecting that. Snapdragon 855 flexing its muscles RN. PUBG. Starting up on both. Oh, iPhone's ahead. iPhone with a comeback. Loading on the iPhone, loading on the LG, and give the win to the XS Max on this, as you can see. There you go. Photoshop Express. I do have this 8K image on both phones. Go ahead and click on the white balance on both. And I'm gonna go ahead and choose Flash on both, as you can see. And then jack this filter up all the way. Click on Next on the G8, and then I'm gonna click on this one on the iPhone. And okay, a little bit faster on the G8 on this screen. Oh, what's going on with the iPhone? Lagging a little bit there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and save to gallery on the G8 and save to the camera roll on the iPhone XS Max. We'll see which phone does this faster, and let's go. A little bit faster on the LG. Twitter. LG. Ooh, iPhone lagging a little bit here. Instagram. LG again. Snapchat. Give that to the LG. Let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background, so you can see. LG G8 has 6 gigs of RAM, iPhone XS Max only has 4, but as you know, this phone is well optimized. We'll see what happens. We'll just run through these apps again, and let's go. Twitter, still there. Photoshop, same place. PUBG, both still in RAM, so you can see. Very good. Angry Birds, both still in RAM. Subway Surf, same place on both. No reloads yet for either phone. Temple Run 2, oh, a reload on the G8, so you can see. Super Mario Run, same place on both. eBay, same place on both. Amazon, a little bit faster on the XS Max. G8 stuttered there a little bit. The Play Store, App Store, same place on both. Calculator, a little bit faster on the iPhone on that. The browsers, same place, as you can see. This one, still running the stopwatch. The camera, ooh, I think maybe that was the LG. Slow down the video for me, wasn't too sure. Messages, a little bit faster on the right. And the phone app, faster on the iPhone. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you an LG fanboy? Rocking the LG G8, rocking the LG G7 from last year, LG V30? Are you looking forward to the LG V40? This phone is pretty cool. With the no camera hump in the back, has the motion gestures, so that's pretty cool. Or are you an Apple iSheet, rocking the iPhone XS Max, the iPhone X, or an iPhone XR? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.